guys, welcome back to my channel. So look what your girl has got her hands on. I'm so excited. I've got the new Mercury Retrograde Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. Wow. This is the look that I've come up with. I wanted to do something a bit more colorful, a bit more bright, and something a bit different to the usual neutral tones, because everybody can do neutral tones from this palette, but I wanted to show you what else you can do with the funky ass colors in here, because I know sometimes you can get a palette and all you'll use is the neutral shades and then these bright colors will go to waste. Well, now they won't, okay? Because now you'll know what to do with them. I really hope you like this tutorial. I'm going to be letting you know my thoughts on this palette as I apply the shadows and stuff like that. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like this kind of stuff. And also don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're not part of the family already. For now, I'm going to love you and leave you, and I hope you enjoy the tutorial. I look crazy, I know, but I'm just baking the under eyes while I do my eye makeup, okay? I mean, how gorgeous is this palette? I cannot wait to get this on, so let's get into it. I'm gonna start by taking this shade right here, which is called Hot Mess. It's a really nice matte shade. I'm just starting by taking this shade through the crease right here and laying down like a base shade. But oh my god, the shadow feels different to Huda's normal shade. It just feels so much softer and smoother and really pigmented from the get-go. I don't know if she's done anything different with formula, but I'm liking it. But I'm just gonna blend this shade through the crease, just back and forth, and then I'm gonna take a big fluffy brush with nothing on it and just blend the edges, and that will just soften it out, as you can see. And then I think I'm going to take the shade Karma, which is right here, which looks like a really nice transitional shade, which is why I want to use it. So I'm just going to take that just above that shade, and it's, oh, that's nice. Yeah, that's a perfect transitional color. It's always needed in every palette, I swear. Okay, next is a bit I'm most excited about. I'm gonna go into this shade right here, which is called Mercury. And oh my god, I've just realized my nails match this palette. This was so unplanned. This shade just looks sick. I'm gonna spritz my brush and make it damp, just so that the pigment is like 10-10, you know? Okay, and this is basically just gonna go all the way on my lid, and I'm just gonna keep patting this on until I get the intensity that I like. And because it's damp, I can actually get good shape with it, and I'm gonna take it all the way around my crease, like all the way. Guys, if you can hear loud bangs, it's because it's Diwali right now. I'm just filming this while I get ready. Yeah, you can really hear people going for it with them fireworks, boy. But how sick does this look? Oh my god. The consistency of this shadow is so much nicer and so much smoother than some of Huda's other metallic shadows. This just feels different. I love her little mini obsessions palettes, but for a big palette like this, 100% hands down beats the big nude palette. I liked it, but this is just way better. I also really want to try out one of the other textured eyeshadows in this palette. So you've got these kind of metallic ones, and then you've got these chunky textured ones, which she also has in some of her other palettes. But yeah, I just want to see how these go on. So I'm just going to apply this gold one called Gold Glitch that I just showed you, just on my inner corner. Oh, it's super pretty. It's like a mixture of a gold and a purple. And this is really pigmented without even me dampening the brush. I feel like it's going on quite nicely. I think these chunky shadows would definitely go on better damp. They're just like the other chunky ones she has in her other palettes. So no different when it comes to the chunky ones, but they're still pretty. And then for liner, I'm gonna take the Huda Beauty Life Liner, of course. I feel like it would be rude to use anything other than Huda's liner. So I'm just gonna apply this as I normally do for wing liner. So I'm just gonna take it across my lash line first, then create the wing and make sure everything's all joined up. Okay guys, wing liner is on, and I just want to finish off the eyes by going back into Hot Mess, and I'm just going to run that all the way along my lower lash line and trying not to get powder in my eye. I actually don't like fireworks that much. It is the noise. I don't mind like how they look and when they look pretty, but if I have to hear them, oh my god, I literally cannot stand them. It's the thing that I hate around this time of year. It just makes me hate this time of year, even though I like a lot of things about this autumn kind of time. And why do people do fireworks past a certain time? I'm sure you're not supposed to do them past 11 o'clock at night. And last night people were doing them at 11:30, 11:45, and then I got woken up in the middle of the night at like 4 a.m. because there were fireworks. Yeah, great. Back to the makeup. Sorry, I totally went off on a rant just then. I mean, today, I know, it's Diwali. It's expected. And the mascara I'm going to use is the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. I really, really like this. This just gives you so much volume in your lashes. So I'm just going to apply a couple of coats of this. And then just going to finish off the eyes with some Tatti Lashes in the cell TL4. I love Tatti Lashes. If you didn't already know, they're amazing. I'm just going to finish off the eyes with a turquoise liner in the waterline. And this is in the shade Odysea by Marc Jacobs. And this is just going to tie everything all together. This is just making the eyes pop so much more. And it's like everything that's on the top is on the bottom. This is why I feel like it's so important to do in a waterline liner. Even if you just did a black, even if you did a nude or a brown, it just kind of ties everything together. But when you do a color, it just makes it look like bam. So the eyes are all done and I'm just gonna go ahead and dust this off, finish off the rest of my makeup, and then I will be back with you to let you know my thoughts on this palette. Okay guys, so I am back, and just so you know, on the lip I've mixed a bit of Venus liquid lipstick. Whoever's been watching me for the longest time will know at one point I was so obsessed with this liquid lipstick, but I've mixed it with a bit of MAC Peach stock lipstick, and then I've gone over it with this new favorite gloss of mine by Laura Mercier, and this is in the shade Bare Blush. That's the lip situation. Oh, and Well lip liner by MAC. Everything else that I've used is going to be listed in the description box, so don't you worry. As for this palette, I think it's such a unique palette. Honestly, it's so beautiful. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this before, because you've got like really nice subtle shades in here, but then you've also got some really popping bright colors. I hope I've made this palette look a bit more wearable for you, because I know for some it might be a bit daunting and you'd be like, where do I even start with some of these colors? You can totally do a look like this, or you can do super neutral looks from this palette as well, because I like the fact that there's quite a few matte options, different textures, different shades. It's just a really, really beautiful and unique palette, I have to say. And also, above all, the quality of these shadows, like I said in the video, they just feel a bit different to her usual shadows. They feel better. Some improvement has gone around up in the labs, and I am impressed with the texture of the shadows. So that is great. All in all, I mean, I'm not here to tell you what you should and shouldn't do, but I am here to tell you that it's a great palette, especially like if you're buying a Christmas gift for someone, birthday gift, and they love their makeup. This is going to be really, really cute to gift to someone as well. Definitely check this palette out. But yeah guys, I really hoped you liked this look. I hope you liked this tutorial. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you did. Let me know if there's anything else you want me to review. I kind of just wanted to focus on the eyes on this palette rather than doing a whole full face, because sometimes that just takes away from the actual thing that I'm trying to focus on. So let me know if you like that or not. Comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Are you gonna buy this palette? What do you think? And also don't forget to subscribe and get me on Instagram, because I will have an IG video up on my Instagram with the rest of my face makeup on there. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Mwah. Bye.